Picture two people starting their careers today. 5 years later, they are equally hardworking, but one finishes their tasks in half the time, learns new skills faster, and produces consistently better work. Both individuals are intelligent and well-educated. However, the person who incorporates AI into their workflow has a compounding advantage in how much they can actually accomplish in a day. Developing this doesn't require writing code, a degree in computer science, or any specific technical background. Over the next 6 minutes, we are going to build your first professional AI workflow. You'll learn how to construct a specific prompt and use it to generate a usable asset for your job. By following along to complete a simple task, like drafting an email, you move from observing AI to actively utilizing it in your own career. To start, open your browser and prepare to choose an AI assistant. Many beginners struggle because they try to learn several different AI platforms at once. This often leads to confusion rather than progress. For now, select one primary assistant and stick with it. Whether you choose ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini, focus your attention on just one interface. Instead of using this interface like a search engine where you type in short keywords, treat it like a capable colleague. Give clear instructions as if delegating a task. Developing a deep familiarity with one tool builds the confidence needed to adapt as the technology continues to evolve. A vague instruction like write an email forces the AI to guess what you need. This usually results in a generic response that requires significant editing. This 5-part prompt formula provides a structured way to give the AI the specific data it needs to produce a professional result on the first attempt. First, state the goal. Tell the AI exactly what you want it to do. Next, provide context. Give the AI the background it needs. Third, identify the audience. This allows the AI to tailor its tone. Fourth, set the format. Tell the AI how to structure the text. Finally, add constraints. Setting boundaries prevents the AI from becoming too wordy. Using this 5-part structure turns prompting into a predictable process rather than a guessing game. When you execute your prompt, the AI uses those 5 points to generate a structurally sound response in seconds. This logic applies to more than just emails. A teacher can use the same 5-part structure to draft a detailed lesson plan tailored to a specific grade level. An HR professional can use it to build a resume screening rubric, and a business owner can use it to draft sales copy for a specific product. This framework scales across professions, increasing the speed and clarity of your work regardless of your job title. Even a well-structured prompt can result in a hallucination, which is when the AI generates incorrect information with complete confidence. Always manually check the generated text. Verify that dates, names, and factual claims are accurate before using them. In high-stakes areas like medical advice, legal documents, or financial data, never rely on AI without verifying the information through a reliable human source. Using AI effectively means treating it as a helpful assistant that requires human oversight, rather than an expert that is always right. In just 6 minutes, you have learned to move from a blank screen to a targeted, fact-checked professional document. To maintain this skill, apply this 5-part framework to one personal task today, like organizing a grocery list, planning a workout, or drafting a thank you note. Frequent use is what makes these tools feel intuitive. The more you use AI for small daily tasks, the faster you will be able to apply it to complex professional ones. Learning to collaborate with these tools changes the baseline for how much you can achieve in a single workday. If you built your first prompt today, like this video and subscribe for more practical AI frameworks. I'll see you in the next one.